This is a documentary, Snowstorm Shit Volume 3. We got the big ass bulldozer out here shoveling the snow. Yeah, so you know I'm putting this on Facebook. You know, I'm back on the block, yeah, baby. Back on the block, street clean. You know we got workers out here. You got city workers doing their thing. You know, hey the hood, you know, hood range, nigga, get up on it. Clean that street. You can't get like us. First ones, feel me? No hood. Hood shot real quick, look. Anton Force at Facebook. Hell nah. We got shot, but this is what we need though. Clean ass streets. Draw.
It is that.
You know. This all.
Ain't that just manager and shit?
I guess so.
Look at him bending over and shit.
Look at Fruity in the booty, bending over to talk to the man in the truck. You don't got to bend over, sir. That's a female in the truck. She looking, can't say she looking good because, you know, the whole stunting. But yeah, though.
Yeah, you know how we do it on the block, 54. We do it big over here. We ain't drug dealers yet over here. We straight over here. Our profit ain't coming in how we want it to come in.
Walk through the hood, this the block. You don't know where the block at, hit my spot. Don't want the spot at, you got the rocks. Got the rocks, got the blow, got weed, got coke. Yeah. Hey, how you doing?
What he got on the arrow?
Oh. Nah, she's stuck in this motherfucking car. She can't get that ass out. She don't know how to drive. Non-driving ass.
Y'all little weak. Oh.
Push that mother. Now, you know you can't twerk that little bitty power wheel.
Hey, what am I
She can't drive. Don't blame her. Blame her driving instructor.
You know what? Shut up.
That head ass. Big shoe ass. Big pal. This is where people get stuck at coming on the trail. Got the hood blocked off. Call my nigga CeeLo Green. CeeLo Green. CeeLo Green.